welcome to my channel. I'm Patty, and this is Little Red Southern Kitchen. Today I'm making my version of dirty rice, and I'm fixing it in an Instant Pot. If you know anything about dirty rice, you're supposed to have chicken livers in it, and I would love to have chicken livers in it, but unfortunately I can't. So here's the ingredients you're going to need. You're going to need 2 cups of rice. Now, I do not rinse mine. Some people say you should, but I don't. I'm going to need some beef broth. Hot pork sausage. You can get regular, but I decided to add the hot to it. Salt and pepper. I'm also going to need some bell pepper, some onion, some celery, and garlic. And Tony Chachere's Creole Seasoning, or whatever Creole Seasoning you want to use. And I just had it in my hand, but I didn't bring it over. You need some Worcestershire sauce and some water.
It's on the stove.
Alright, I'm going to get off here and prep all this stuff, and we'll be back. Okay guys, I'm ready. The first thing, now see, I ground up all my celery, onion, garlic, and bell pepper into very fine. But I'm gonna put this sausage in here and cook it. I've got it on saute. Digging through all that. No, let me go get my wooden thing. You pay me. I don't know where my hamburger... There it is. Hold on a minute. My breaker upper. This is my breaker upper. But it's not even near cooking, so while we're getting ready for this to start, welcome to my channel. I do a lot of southern cooking. Don't limit myself to it though. And I think my instructions on my videos are for all levels of cooks. So if you're new here, take a look around. I'd love to have you in the family, so hit that subscribe button. And to my returning subs, thank you very much and welcome back. So, alright, I'm going to get this started, and then whenever it is, I will bring you back. Alright, this is cooked down a little bit. At this time, I am going to add my very finely chopped onion, garlic, bell pepper, and celery. You don't have to cook yours this fine. There is a little bit of grease down at the bottom, but I'm not going to worry about that. Sorry. I forgot I need something to put this stuff up. Be right with you. Be right with you. I sound like I'm some kind of... Let me get some water in here. Alright, sorry about that. Yeah, I gotta let this... Ooh. Sorry, I got my glasses on and they got fogged up. Let me let this cook a little bit more, and I'll bring you back when I start adding everything else. Okay, unfortunately there aren't any brown bits down here because there was some oil in it. But right now I'm going to add my water, which is 1 cup, and some beef broth. which much. I'm going to put a cup and a quarter. I always say cup my beef broth. These are the best ever measuring cups. See, where you can look down and see your measurements. Add your 2 cups of rice. I told you I don't rinse mine. That's your preference. You know, do that if you like. I'm going to turn this saute off. And you need some pepper. Some salt. Some Tony Chacheres. Okay. I'm just adding a tablespoon. You could add more if you like. That might even be too hot for me. And a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. Yeah, I said Worcester. Alright, well, let me tell you this now. For everything I just did, for the stovetop, do the same thing. Except now, you know, I'm getting ready to put the pressure on, but the only thing you do on stovetop, you want to bring it to a boil. Whenever it boils, turn it down and cover it, and you will probably want to cook it about 25 minutes till your rice is done. And do not look at it. Alright. Now, make sure your seal is sealed, and I want to put this on for 6 minutes. Make sure your keep warm is off, because I do not want it to burn. After 6 minutes, after it's pressurized, I'm going to give it a 10-minute natural release, then a quick release. So we will be back. Alright, like I said, it cooked for 6 minutes. Then I did a 10-minute natural release and then a quick release. Doesn't that look good? Oh yeah, it smells good too. Alright, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my other stuff that we're having, and I will meet y'all back and plate everything up. See you in a few. Alright guys, tonight we're having chicken fries, some shelly beans with potatoes, seasoned with fatback, and our dirty rice. Ooh, yummy, that looks so good. Alright, I'm going to pick some plates. This is the star. Oops. I don't want a whole bunch. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Please hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you in the family, and give me a big thumbs up if you like what I did. Don't forget to leave me a comment and share it out on your social media. Help my channels to grow. My channel, not my channels. Alright, supper's ready. Love y'all. Bye.